Hi, I'm Justin Stangler, the business and marketing teacher here at Willow Canyon High School. At Willow Canyon High School, we offer business and marketing classes for 4 years, and we start from the basics of what is marketing and the typical business concepts, work our way through economics, business law, and business ethics. We also provide dual enrollment credits through Real Salado Community College as well. Next stop, we're going to head into our learning lab. This is the Wildcat Den. It's the student store here on campus. Students come into this lab and work in a real-world experience. It's similar to if you're in a biology class and you go into a lab to dissect animals. In the business and marketing class, you come into the Wildcat Den and you learn all the aspects of running a business. It's retail-based. We have apparel, snacks. Students will do inventory. They'll run the student registers, and they get a real-world hands-on experience of what it's like to be in the business world. If you'd like more information, please contact your counselor. Go to our website, or you can contact me directly at justin.stangler@dysart.org.